శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవసంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం 4th స్కంధం, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Vandi Magadhas, they are in front of Pridhu Maharaju, talking about Pridhu Maharaju like this, talking so great about Pridhu Maharaju like this, saying that this Pridhu Chakravarti is like Indra. He is going to be making sure that there is no drought in this country. This Pridhu Chakravarti is like Chandra. He will be talking to the people with so much of affection and with a smile on his face, and like that he will bring peace and happiness into everyone's face in this country. This Pridhu Maharaju will follow so many different strategies which cannot be even perceived by anyone. Upagupta Vittaha, this Pridhu Maharaju saves, protects all riches. Ananta Mahatmya Gunaika Dhama, this Pridhu Maharaju has unlimited glow and glory. This Pridhu Maharaju is the center point, is the treasure of all divine attributes. This Pridhu Maharaju is like Agni. As and how no one can go near to Agni, so also enemies cannot even think of going near to Pridhu Maharaju. To that extent, Pridhu Maharaju will have unlimited effulgence. This Pridhu Maharaju is like Vayu. As and how Vayu, the wind, is all over and into the bodies of all living beings, so also this Pridhu Maharaju antar bahischa bhutanam pasyan karmani charanaihi. He will have all of his agents, secret agents all over the country. Through them, Pridhu Maharaju will be knowing all activities that are going on in the country. And this Pridhu Maharaju is beyond attachment, beyond anger. This Pridhu Maharaju feels that taking care of people is the supreme duty, supreme responsibility. Like that, Vandi Magadhas praising Pridhu Maharaju's great works right in front of Pridhu Maharaju. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. as an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.